Okay, I'm just outside the keeper, and we'll just go a little walk on the front. It's quite busy, it's a Sunday, and it's an absolutely beautiful day. Got the Bellamar on this side doing their ice creams, pastas, fish dishes and tapas. Then the keeper on this side doing their English breakfast, omelette sandwiches and breakfast and everything. And the sea today is absolutely amazing. It's as clear as a bell. Visibility, we can see the Marina from here. We see the strip in the middle. It's clear as a bell, and the sea is absolutely amazing. It's like glass. No, virtually no waves, and it's hot. And look who I found here.
Hello.
We found Yvonne.
Look how calm the sea is.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, people swimming. So clear.
It is. And the horizon, you know, when you see the horizon like that, it's just like a line, a really defined line. Sometimes you come and it merges into the sky because it's a little bit misty. But today, it's like a razor sharp line. And I was just saying, you can see the Marina from here.
Yeah.
And on a clear day, that's probably the strip. What do they call the strip? Marina strip. I can't remember what they call it now, but that's it there. Well, there's a guy swimming out there, and it's a girl swimming. Beautiful. Didn't we see somebody on a what's it? A paddleboard?
Yeah. Don't know where they've gone.
I mean, you don't go on a paddleboard here normally, would you? You go to a Sequin and get your paddleboard out, but to do it on this bit.
I don't think I've ever seen this sea here, so calm.
No, I haven't. Never. Is it the calm before the storm?
Oh, don't say that.
No, I don't think so. It's absolutely beautiful.
And it's so warm.
Yeah, and don't forget you can swipe around with your finger. It's a 360-degree video, and you can move around, you can see what we're looking at, you can see behind us, you can see left and right. Just use your finger to swipe up and down, or use your remote control if you're watching on TV to go up, down, left and right, and you'll see the full view of what we can see. Here we are at the Club Nautico Marina International. We're in a place here that we come to a lot, we love it here. It's the International Marina, and what a lovely evening it is. The sun is just going down, as you can see there, and that's the car park for the posh people that have got boats and whatever. Isn't it? Anyway, can't say any more about that, but look at these boats here.
Some beauties.
That's a nice one there, look. So yeah, this is the International Marina, and we'll just show you around the place with a 360. Don't forget you can use your finger to whiz around the screen, move the picture to wherever you want to see, and on your TV you can use your remote control, your up, down, left and right buttons, so you can look forwards, backwards, up and down. This is the Marina Club, serving cocktails and a shishi bar.
Whose is that
Shishi
face
bar.
there?
Is it me?
No.
A bit young for me, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, I don't know what that is. Anyway, moving on. So it's a lovely place, quite a few restaurants around here. There's the club there, and then we've got this. We've shown you this before.
They've got the Christmas tree up in there.
Wow. Well,
Look.
yeah, Christmas. It is November, and this is the restaurant Nautic, and there's the taste of the menu there, and a few people in there. The sun is just setting. Got quite a few people milling around, and we're going towards Moby Dick's restaurant. So let's have a look at Moby Dick, see what they've got to offer.
It's busy around here.
Very busy, isn't it?
Popular spot.
Ooh, can you smell that?
Yeah.
Ooh. It's a shame you haven't got smell-o-vision. We've got 360 video, but we haven't mastered the
smell-o-vision.
The smell-o-vision yet, have we?
No.
This is Moby Dick's restaurant. Looks like there's entertainment just starting up there, and they've got white tablecloths, look.
Oh heck.
But they're not too bad, are they? Prices are pretty good.
Yeah.
Fine, that's fine.
And,
Hello there.
hello there.
Hello.
Are you all right?
Lovely girl.
Good, good, good.
Hello.
And this is another part of Moby Dicks. It goes on quite a way back here. So you've got a choice of scenery, haven't you?
It's like in different sections, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, I think we'll turn round and we'll go back. There's the boats, look, more boats. Lovely boats. Bit of price them boats, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're not cheap. There's one for sale there, look.
Want to buy it?
I can't afford any boats. Not on my pension. What about you?
What about my pension?
We've got 2 pensions now, haven't we?
Still think we can't buy it.
We're managing all right, aren't we?
Yeah.
In Spain, you can manage on 2 pensions with ease.
Well, we do.
We do, because we're in a fortunate position that we've paid for our property, both in the UK and in Spain. So everything else is it's pretty much a breeze, isn't it? Really,
Yeah.
let's go up this way. Past the tree. So this is the other side of Moby Dicks, and this is the ship.
Well, we come quite a lot, don't we?
We come a
Is
lot to the ship.
that couple there that we were talking
Yeah,
to.
we've done many.
Hello
There
again.
we are. These nice people that have been watching our videos. Say hello. Hello.
I'm
Great.
Helen and this is John.
Very good, very
Yes,
good. Nice
hi,
to
Helen
see
and
you.
John.
We'll crack on.
Nothing on tonight.
No. Yeah, some subscribers there. And we're just going to walk back round to the front. There's a building here that, or a business that actually sell the boats and yachts and all those super boats. I presume they'll do rentals as well. And then at the back here we've got the hotel. Lots of people stopping here. I'm sure you'd find it on Google, the International Marina Hotel. And very, very popular place. It's got its own car park, which is great in Torrevieja because car parking is not easy to find. Now then, we're going to go somewhere now, which we've done videos about this before. If you remember Andy in his international supermarket, we were telling everybody where it was. Now when you come down into the car park from Torrevieja, there it is there, you come across these barriers. Everybody thinks it's a private piece of land, this, and it's not. It's open to the public. They used to have the barriers for security for these people that have got the boats and to keep it nice and secure for them. But it is a public road and path, and anybody can come this way. We're going to go down past the yacht brokers.
They have a board here.
There's a board there, look. Opening times Monday to Friday, 9 till 8, and beyond at the weekend. And that's where we're going. We're going to show you the El Marinero.
El Marinero, what used to be Andy's supermarket.
It used to be Andy's supermarket, now it's called El Marinero, and it's a really nice, still got a few supermarket items, but it's just down here.
They've only been open a month.
Yeah, they took it over in October and doing really well. Just a few steps past that barrier and you get to it here, so don't miss out. Come and have a look.
And there's a lovely view opposite.
There is,
See.
the sun's just setting.
See?
This is the Sequian beach over here. Looks like we're going to have a nice sunset actually tonight, doesn't it?
Yeah, there's a few clouds.
Yeah. But that sometimes looks like lovely clouds, like lenticular clouds, aren't they?
Yeah.
There's a secure port parking for the yacht owners. And there's the business, El Marinero, what used to be Andy's International Supermarket. They're still doing supermarket things, but they also do food. And today's menu, which we're going to have a go at, aren't we?
We are, yes.
We're going to get one of each. They're doing a pan-seared salmon,
I'm having that.
and they're doing a pork stew.
And you're having that.
Looks like I'm having that.
Yep.
So I'm looking forward to that. Let's go in and have a look. So we've got this lovely outdoor area. Here we just parked our bikes here. Nice little area there, seating area, so you can look at the beach. And then into the premises. If you remember Andy's supermarket, he had all his wines down there, didn't he?
He did.
And fridges and what have you. Still got some food stock and some sort of essential supermarket items, which is great. Got some wine and some drink and some beers. But the main difference is the restaurant part. Got this fantastic restaurant, nice seating, lovely furniture actually, isn't it? And then outside, an outside area there, which must be a great place to sit when the sun's going down. So I think we're going to have a sit down.
Are we sitting?
And we're going to try out the pork stew and the salmon. So watch out on our next podcast, which will be on the 13th of November. So watch out for that, and you'll see us having a meal here.
So we'll see you later.
So adios.
Adios.